In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear side marker bulb on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. You don't need any tools for this, it's very easy and it's only going to take us a couple minutes. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up the trunk. Now once you open up the trunk, on the side there you'll see this flap. So take the flap off. And now first off, we need to take the stop light bulb off. Yeah, it's not a smart design, but what it is. We got to take that bulb off first, and only then can we access the side marker bulb. So get the stop light bulb out of the way. Now twist that bulb holder left, and don't use the wires to pull it out. Just grab the bulb holder itself, take it out of the tail light, pull the bulb off. Simple. Go ahead and get the new bulb. Press it in, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and put that in. You see that slot, you see that tab on the bulb holder? You need to align it with the slot and the tail light over there where I'm pointing. Just goes in one way, twist it right, and that's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and put the stop light bulb back into the tail light. And if you do it randomly, you're going to struggle with it. The trick to doing it right is you see where that red wire is? See how the wire is positioned? Yeah, so make sure you put the bulb holder in just that position there. Once it's in, twist it right, and you're done. Now let's put that flap back on. It's easy, but again, it takes a few seconds. So be patient with it. Do it just as I'm doing it, and you'll be fine. Alright, and that's pretty much it. See how easy that was? Go out there and do it. Good luck.